Okay, be honest. How many times have you stared at a blank LinkedIn text box and just given up? You know you need to post regularly to build your brand and attract opportunities. But between the blank page, the writer's block, and the time it takes, most people just don't. What if you could go from 0 to 3 high-engagement LinkedIn posts in under 30 seconds? Today I'm showing you the LinkedIn Content Creator in TurboAgents, and this tool is going to change how you show up on LinkedIn. Let's be real. A good LinkedIn post takes 30 to 45 minutes, researching the topic, crafting the hook, nailing the CTA. Multiply that by the 3 to 5 posts a week the algorithm rewards, and you're looking at 3 hours of content work every week. The cost of not posting? Missed clients, missed opportunities, missed visibility. LinkedIn only works if people can see you. That's exactly why I want to show you the LinkedIn Content Creator in TurboAgents. The interface is beautifully simple, just 4 fields and you're done. Field 1. Topic. Be specific. Instead of just marketing, I'm writing how AI is revolutionizing content creation for busy entrepreneurs. Specific, timely, pain point driven, instantly tells your audience what they'll learn. Field 2. Target audience. I'm entering marketing professionals and content creators struggling with consistency. The more precise you are here, the harder the AI works for you. Field 3. Content format. 3 formats to choose from. Text post for quick authority-building content, Carousel PDF style for step-by-step swipeable guides, and personal story for emotional connection. For this demo, I'm going with text post, fastest to create, easy to consume, and the AI generates 3 strategically different takes on it automatically. Field 4. Tone. Professional but engaging. Authoritative enough to be taken seriously. Human enough to be relatable. Now let's hit generate, and watch this. TurboAgents shows you exactly what it's doing in real time. Analyzing your audience, generating hooks, structuring narratives, optimizing for the LinkedIn algorithm, all in about 30 seconds. Boom! Look at this. 3 fully written posts, each with a variant strategy label and a reach potential score, so you know exactly which one to bet on. Educational, 88% reach potential. This one opens with a punchy hook, a statement that reframes how your audience thinks. Variant 2. Story-driven, 92% reach potential. Theory is more useful. This one opens with a personal scenario, something your audience has lived through. The narrative builds through a real problem, a turning point, and a resolution. It's your relationship builder. Stories are 22 times more memorable than facts alone, and this format drives shares and saves. Variant 3. Bold, 95% reach potential, the winner. And here's the star. The hook challenges a common belief, immediately creates a pattern interrupt that stops the scroll. The body backs it up with a strong take, provoking both agreement and disagreement, which means comments. 95% reach potential. This is pure algorithmic gold. Each post also shows you a live character count against the 3,000 character LinkedIn limit, so you never accidentally go over. And when you're ready, one click copies the entire post, hashtags included, straight to your clipboard. Just paste into LinkedIn and go. Here's the math. Only 1% of LinkedIn users create content regularly. This tool puts you in that 1%. What used to take 45 minutes now takes 30 seconds. That's a 60x time saving. You can generate a full week of content over your morning coffee. The LinkedIn Content Creator is live now inside TurboAgents. Try it today and watch how consistent, high-quality content opens doors you never knew existed. Thanks for watching.